Hello, nice day to you. And today I will share of the metal line for the PVC marble sheet, how to use and how to installation. And first, I will to show the details of each type for the metal line. This is the first type. You can check the details. And this is for the corner line, like this. For the metal line, usually we have three colors. The first color is for the black, second color is for like this, and have the golden color. Okay, and next I will to show the details of the metal line, how to installation for the PVC marble sheet. This is the PVC marble sheet. And this is the metal line. This use the middle like this. Like this. This is the first one. And the second, it is this for the corner line like this. And this one is for here. Yeah, this is the corner line. Like this, you can to check the detail. For this one, the use like that. Yeah, when installation will be easy, like this. And for the next type is for the edge line. This type is very easy, like this, for the edge. And this is the corner line, like this, like this. Will be easy for installation. And the last type is like this. And for installation, just like this. Okay, this is our metal line for the PVC marble sheet to use. If you need more details or need the clearly picture, you can contact with me. I will send that to you. And thanks for your watching.